Hi, I'm Jojo. Today I'm making Burping Frogs cupcakes. Yay! See, this is a burping frog. Burping frogs. So here's how you make it. You need sugar, M&M's, milk, eggs, flour, chocolate buttons and butter. And what's this? Icing mixture and food colouring. And you need vanilla. You'll also need a container to catch your burp.
Catch it, quick, catch it.
Come on! So you can find the recipe in the description under this video. So you need to crack the eggs. Oops. I did it! Add the butter and sugar and eggs. Oopsie daisy. So you put all the butter in. So now we have to add the sugar. Let's tip it over. Let's go. A bit more. And now the eggs. Let's remove this bowl. And then put the eggs in. Now I have to mix it. Now you have to wait. Faster. So now you can do the flour, vanilla, and milk. Here it goes. It's heavy. Now you need the vanilla. Grab that one. Yum. No. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Let's clean this up. We need milk. Oopsie daisy again. Last time I spilled the milk when I was making breakfast. Just an accident. Lucky lots you need to put your burping. Don't let us escape. We need to mix it again. Start slow before you move fast. Now fast! Just put cupcakes in the pan. There we go. Now we're going to put mixtures in the cupcakes. Oops. Huh? I think I should wash my hand first. going to hide a green M&M in each cake. That's the burp. Now we're going to put them in the oven. Then we have to wait. They're ready! Yeah. Get the grown up to get them out of the oven and then wait for them to cool down. Now we're going to make our icing. Add the butter and the icing mixture in the bowl. That should be enough. Now we need to put it down. Now we can add the green food colouring. Green. A little bit more. Okay, it's trying to be. Where's the mix? Yummy. That's green. Now we need to ask the cupcakes. You might need a grown up to help you. I don't need a grown up to help me. Ah! Oh! Use chocolate butter for the eyes. Oops. Did it. And brown M&Ms. Oops. Orange one. How does he look? Get a grown up to melt some white chocolate. White chocolate in the syringe. Now make a smiley face. God. You sound happy. Happy. M&M. Use the word M&M for this time. Here. Now make the west. Where's he? Oh, is that the chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, the burp changed into chocolate.
You ate the eye.
Oh, right. There's burping frogs. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Say yay.
Yay.
Say yay. Clap. Quick.
Mm. Yummy.